let's just go straight to the point.
Yes.
I don't think we have much to say, but let's go straight to the point.
Yes.
Happy birthday to former governor, Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. What do you like about him?
Oh, almost everything.
That's interesting.
Almost everything.
Yeah.
I like it when people know their craft.
Okay.
And they are good at it. The same way I would praise an actress if she's good at it. I took note of the fact that this man was elected twice as the governor of Kano State. And I know that feat is not easy to beat, trust me. He also became the Minister of Defense, also in Kano State.
Yeah.
He has done a lot. And during his administration, there was free education, free food in school, free uniforms. He repaired roads. He did roads, flyovers, housing estates. I'm like, okay, let's give it to him. Yes.
So he was actually former governor of Kano State. He was governor from 1999 to 2003, and then from 2011 to 2015. He was also former Minister of Defense. He was the leader of a political movement. So, when they say, this is the Herbert Macaulay of this. This is
of Kano.
Yeah. It's the Kwakwansiya ideology. He was the presidential candidate of the New Nigeria People's Party. He was a PDP guy, but he was also part of the NNPP.
He was also part of APC too.
He created the NNPP.
Yes.